Want to create a Telegram mini app like Panda Gold Miner and captivate users with seamless on-chain functionality? In this video, we'll break down the entire development process step by step and explore the features that make Panda Gold Miner so engaging. If you're ready to turn your app idea into reality, stay tuned. Telegram mini apps are transforming how users interact with businesses, games, and services. These lightweight apps run within Telegram, offering a seamless experience without downloads. Apps like Panda Gold Miner are thriving because they combine gamification with blockchain integration, with features like 1. Instant accessibility, 2. Immersive experiences, and 3. Built-in social sharing via Telegram. You can engage users and build a loyal community. Start by defining your app's core functionality. Let's take inspiration from Panda Gold Miner. Here are its key features that keep users engaged. On-chain gold mining. Players perform virtual mining tasks to earn on-chain rewards. NFT integration. Users can collect, trade, or use in-game NFTs to enhance their mining abilities. Reward system. Gamification through leaderboards, achievements, and exclusive bonuses. In-app economy. Players can exchange earned gold for tokens, use them for upgrades, or stake for rewards. Social interactions. Built-in features to invite friends and compete in Telegram groups. Ask yourself, how can you design features that leverage blockchain and keep users engaged? Your app's interface determines how users experience your mini app. Panda Gold Miner's success lies in its clean and interactive UI. Here's what to prioritize. Simplified menus. Make navigation effortless. For instance, Panda Gold Miner uses easy-to-understand tabs for mining, rewards, and leaderboards. Engaging visuals. Use vibrant, theme-based graphics to reflect your app's identity. Responsive design. Ensure smooth transitions and fast load times on both desktop and mobile Telegram versions. A well-designed UI ensures your app stands out and keeps users coming back. The backend is the engine powering your app. Panda Gold Miner integrates blockchain to provide real value to players. Here's how to replicate that. Choose a blockchain like Solana, Polygon, or Binance Smart Chain for scalability. Develop smart contracts to manage in-game rewards, NFT ownership, and transactions. Implement Telegram's web app API for real-time communication between the app and Telegram. Add an in-app economy. Like Panda Gold Miner, let users earn, exchange, and spend tokens within the app. Blockchain integration ensures transparency, security, and user trust in your app. Testing is essential to ensure a smooth launch. Here's what to focus on. 1. Stress testing. Simulate high user activity to ensure stability. 2. Transaction validation. Verify that smart contracts handle rewards and NFT trades accurately. 3. User feedback. Run beta tests with a small group to identify and fix usability issues. Once polished, launch your app with a bang. Panda Gold Miner gained popularity through Telegram groups and collaborations. Follow a similar marketing strategy to ensure your app gets noticed. Building a Telegram mini app like Panda Gold Miner is a brilliant way to engage users and grow your business. If you're ready to bring your idea to life, contact us today. Our team specializes in creating blockchain-powered apps that are fun, secure, and scalable. Let's turn your vision into reality. Before we go, here are some questions to help you refine your app idea. 1. What unique blockchain features will your mini app include? 2. How can gamification make your app more engaging? 3. Will your app focus on rewards, NFTs, or another type of in-app economy? What strategies will you use to attract users on Telegram? Check out the related videos on the end screen to dive deeper into blockchain integration, Telegram APIs, and mini app success stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.